Good evening everyone, this is JJ Reviews. As you can see here, I have a Alcatel 1066. I got this phone from Argus. It's a cheap phone. It cost $4.99 I paid for it. I got it in black colour. Don't worry about the front, it's white. But the actual phone itself is black. The display is a 1.8 display. Talk time is 3 hours. Standby time can be up to 130 hours. Has a camera, torch light, music player, video player, and FM radio. And also, as it says here, compatible with micro SD up to 32 gig, which ain't too bad. There you see here with the music, video, torch, FM, and the camera. You've got here the smartphone, not a smartphone, my bad, just a mobile phone. Just put this to one side. Got a normal 3-pin plug with a micro USB charger. You get given standard earphones, which obviously ain't going to be the best quality for wanting to listen to music with, but if you're out and about with the phone, you can always use it to listen to FM radio, which be alright. So you have the battery here, normal little standard one. And obviously just as well, because I got this from Argus and it's like an EE one, there's a SIM you get, so a £10 starter pack. So I'll put that to one side. Services, so obviously numbers you can call in different countries. And just obviously the quick start guide, but who reads that nowadays? So you can see here you've got the mobile phone, like I say, it's in black. Buttons feel good, like how these old Nokias used to be. And all these old phones, the battery used to last ages compared to smartphones nowadays. Sometimes you only get a day and a half. I get on my smartphone just about a day. Let's open this. So yeah, as you can see, got where the SIM card goes and the micro SD card. Doesn't really weigh much, but when we put the battery in, what bit does it go? Is it that way? There we go. Oh, bloody hell. Oh, there we go. Let's boot it up. Alcatel. See if I can get in focus at all. Don't worry about time. So I just got here, try and see if I can get it where the picture becomes alright. A bit lower, yeah. I'll do it a bit like that because of how it's coming up on my phone, because it's been recorded on a Samsung Galaxy S6 Edge. So you've got here normal dial-in. Oh, whoops. Which Feel really good typing in numbers, not a problem there. Got the menu, so you got messages, multimedia, so the camera. Obviously the camera ain't gonna be great. Yeah, when looking at it, it doesn't look terrible. But obviously there's not enough storage, not enough memory. So you've got the music, call logs, FM radio, tools, you've got different tools, so alarm, calculator, calendar, got your torch, oh whoops, black light, oh blacklist, oh you got your torch, so as you can see you got your torch, if I ever need it. Let's try and turn it off. And your alarm, calculator as usual. Profile. So you got, if you can see, there's general, silent, obviously airplane mode, your phone, so your display. What's contrast? Oh, there you go, that's better. So you can see it more. Time and date, won't worry about that. Key you've had. Navigation key, don't know about that. Auto power on, so that's not terrible. Your calls. All the standard, what the old phones used to be. Obviously, you can't because the SIM's not in. Whoops. Network setting, oh, I did that, didn't I? Connectivity, so you've got data connection, data roaming. I don't know if it's data connection where it's straight away connecting to 3G or 4G. This is 4G this phone can do. I think it can do 4G. I think when I looked online it can do 4G. It can handle it. But yeah, it's obviously your files. So all those, my music. Obviously nothing there. Alarms, nothing. Yeah, there's not going to be hardly anything on here. What tools? Do you have the noises? Uh-huh. Yeah, terrible noise on a basic phone for £5. But it's not a terrible phone. If you just need, obviously, you're someone that don't want to be on smartphones, and you got obviously customer support. But it's not a terrible phone. Oh, whoops. Yeah, it's not. So obviously if you hold the star, it's locked, so that you can't do anything unless you press. So if you hold star, you got that where to unlock it you push that one, it's unlocked. You can start again as usual. But yeah, the phone itself is alright for most people. As you can see, the 3.5mm audio jack, the torch, and then there you got the USB, micro USB. Still got the seal over it. That's gonna make much difference to the phone. But yeah, it's for all those people that don't want to be using smartphones and just want a basic phone just for calling and messaging, this is an ideal phone. Battery would, I would imagine the battery would last a long while. But I hope you guys enjoy this video. Don't forget to leave a like, a comment and subscribe. And I will see you guys or in the next one. Take care.